hope you asshole had a great lunch. Now it's time for English. We will be taking a vocabulary quiz.
Oh crap. I forgot we had a vocabulary quiz today and I'm going to fail.
That is too monkey bad. Molly. You're going to do the quiz and that is final.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No 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 no.
Molly. Shut up. Mark my words. You are taking the quiz, and that is final. Sorry about the class. Anyways, I will now pass down your quizzes.
Edit, medit, wedded.
Oh my god. This quizzes is so hard. I need to do something to get away from it. What should I do? Oh wait. I got an idea. I will go pull down the fire alarm. So I can get away from the stupid quiz. Ha 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 has ha 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 ha. Okay. Now since I'm in the hallway, I will now pull the freaking fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Mr. Bolliofner, I'm done with my quiz.
Okay. Paige. Go ahead and give it to me. What? I didn't know that. I was going to be a fire drill today. Okay class. Please line up. Oh. Hello there. Mr. Fox.
Hello there, Mr. Bolliofner. I have to tell you something. I saw a student from class 218 walking in the hallway. Are you one of the teachers?
Yay.
Well, I saw her pull the fire alarm. That must have been Molly.
I was. Yes. I will take care of this. Thanks, Mr. Fox.
No problem, Mr. Bolliofner.
Yes, I pulled the freaking fire alarm. Oh crap.
Just as I suspected. It was you. Molly. You had to pull the fire alarm just to avoid the test. Why the hell would you do that? That's it. You are suspended for 6 months. Go home right now.
My freaking God, Molly. How dare freaking you pull down the fire alarm. That's it. You are grounded for 5 years. Go to your room now.